Good morning, class. Today, we are going to be learning about inner and outer planets. Now, please take out your notebooks to take some notes. Our solar system is made up of 8 planets that go around the sun. They are separated into 2 groups, inner and outer planets. There are 4 inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, our home planet, and Mars. There are also 4 outer planets, starting with Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, lastly, Neptune. There is a region that separates the inner and outer planets from each other. This region is called the asteroid belt. Asteroids are chunks of rock and metal that orbit the sun. As you can see here, the asteroid belt is located between Mars, the last inner planet, and Jupiter, the first outer planet. Now we are going to transition into the differences between the inner and outer planets. Another name for the inner planets are the terrestrial planets. You might have guessed, but the inner planets are relatively small in size and are composed of mostly rock surfaces. Compared to the outer planets, inner planets spin slowly. For example, Venus takes 243 days to spin on its axis. On the other hand, inner planets orbit very quickly because they are so close to the Sun. It only takes Mercury 88 days to orbit the Sun, compared to Earth's 365 days. Lastly, the inner planets have very few moons. Mercury and Venus don't have any. Earth has 1, and Mars has 2. Now we are going to talk about the outer planets, also known as gas giants. One can guess where they got that name. They're huge balls of gas with no surface to them, meaning no one can walk on them. Unlike the inner planets, outer planets take very little time to spin on their axis. It only takes Jupiter 9 hours and 55 minutes. On the other hand, though, it takes them much longer to orbit the Sun because they are so far away. It takes Neptune 164 years. The outer planets have many moons. Jupiter has 63, Saturn has 60, Uranus has 27, and Neptune has 13, compared to the inner planets' 3 moons altogether. Here is the finished product of the differences between inner and outer planets. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Bring your questions to class tomorrow.